Good morning, students. As we were discussing chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? Now today's topic is infectious and non-infectious diseases. Infectious and non-infectious diseases. These words I think are becoming very familiar to you now, because infectious disease is the most common and the deadly, not so deadly, but pandemic disease that we are facing today. Since March, since 5 months, it is one of the infectious disease, that is we are talking about COVID-19. This is not only the infectious disease. We come across so many infectious diseases in our daily life, like common cold, like flu, like pneumonia, like tuberculosis, and so on. Now, what are infectious and non-infectious disease? Infectious diseases are those diseases where the immediate cause, I repeat, where the immediate cause is a microbe, which is caused by a microorganism. That is called the infectious disease. The examples are many, ranging from common cold to conjunctivitis to tuberculosis to pneumonia to cholera to rabies to polio. These are so many millions of diseases which are infectious when where the causative organism is a microbe. It could be a virus, it could be a fungi, it could be bacteria, it could be protozoan, it could be a worm also. So all the disease which is caused by a microbe, those are called as infectious disease. Second one is non-infectious disease. Non-infectious diseases are those diseases where the causative organism is not an organism. It is not a microbe. Now, what is the cause then? The cause could be so many. The cause may be obesity, could be the cause. Cause could be stress, could be the cause. Anxiety could be the cause. So, the examples of non-infectious diseases are hypertension, heart strokes, and cancer, and so on. So, those are non-infectious diseases. Now we'll study a little detail of the infectious diseases. We have viral diseases, we have bacterial diseases which are caused by bacteria, we have protozoan diseases, we have fungal diseases, and we have worm diseases. These are the 5 varieties on the basis of 5 categories on the basis of the types of infectious diseases. Viral diseases examples we have, let me write down a few examples of this. Some viral diseases that you know, I think the first one you will say obviously coronavirus. Okay, I'll write coronavirus. This is one such virus that causes COVID-19. Then we have other viral diseases. We have this we have pneumonia, we have common cold, we have conjunctivitis, we have rabies, and so on. The list is very long, the viral diseases. Then we come to the bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases, we have examples as tuberculosis, typhoid, and so on. These are the bacterial diseases. Then we have this protozoan disease. I'll discuss protozoan disease later because that is so much in detail. Then we have this fungal disease. Fungal. Normally all the skin infections, these are caused by the fungal disease. Then we have this worm disease, which are caused by worm. One such disease that is caused by worm, it is called as ascariasis. It is caused by a worm called as Ascaris lumbricoides. Then we have elephantiasis. These all names are given in your NCERT book. When you will read it, you will get to see that. Ascariasis, elephantiasis, these are the wormal infections which are caused by the worms. Then protozoan diseases I was talking about. Let's discuss protozoan disease. Protozoans, amoeba is a protozoan. There are various organisms. When we look into the microbes, the categories of microbes, protozoans is one such category of microorganism, and there are diseases which are caused by protozoans. One such disease which is caused by protozoan, it is called as, there is one protozoan which is called as Leishmania, and it causes Kala Azar. There is one more protozoan which is called as Trypanosoma, that causes sleeping sickness. Okay, so these are the protozoans that causes the disease, causes the infectious diseases: viral, bacterial, protozoan, fungal, and the fungal infections. Thank you.